Meet the all-new Movavi Video Editor. Edit quickly and easily, with the intuitive timeline and frame-precise video cutting. Add effects in a click, choose from the built-in library and find even more in Movavi Effects Store to lift your content from wow to wowzers. Supercharge your clips with cool titles, fun stickers, electrifying transitions, and rad overlays. Boost colors like a pro. Get next-level color correction in a snap to make more viewers fall in love with your videos. Power up with AI. AI noise removal. AI background removal. AI motion tracking. Just click, and AI will quickly do all the hard work for you. Add style with overlays. Each overlay has 13 modes to choose from. Pick the one that fits your video perfectly. Export to socials in a flash. And shine like never before. Movavi Video Editor. Create awesome videos easily. Download for free.